Mana aku? Woi. Astagfirullah.
Man, that's a dude, Chop. Man, you will fuck anything.
Tu nak beli aja liak tu.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
What's up? Ketemu lagi bareng saya, Bang Ali, gamers Minang, asli Minang. Mungkin kawan-kawan udah pada kangen atau pada nunggu-nunggu video selanjutnya. Kemarin saya cuma ngupload video MotoGP, tidak ngupload video game. Jadi sekarang kita akan coba lanjutin video kemarin, video GTA. Mungkin saya kali ini cuma bisa nyambung GTA dulu. Game yang lainnya nanti aja, game Limbo misalnya, atau game MotoGP mungkin di kesempatan selanjutnya. Dah, kita langsung aja main GTA 5. Oke, check this out. Di sini kita ngelanjutin yang kemarin. Kita pakai si Michelle. Tapi kita balik aja ke Franklin, karena Franklin masih punya banyak misi.
Say again? How the fuck we get fired?
Oke, kita bareng Franklin sekarang.
And partly the repo's old man making me crash the car into the dealership.
You the crazy ass motherfucker in this partnership. You better spend them while you got them.
Yeah, if you say so.
Oke, kita coba cari mobil. Apakah ada di sini mobil yang bisa kita curi? Tak ada tu yang rancak bro. Aku selalu.
Oh hell no.
Bang, sek kawan. Nak pakai tu kawan tak lu ah. Ya. Lelok keluar tu kawan. Oke, langsung aja kita ke peta. Aku peta. Oi, dah kek mah. Ko, ni letak aku.
Hey, look out for fools like this.
Aku coba ngelawan. Aduh.
Damn, popo shit.
Sekarang kita buronan polisi. Awaslah situ, sebalik situ kau kira. Kita pulang dulu ke rumah. Yo, kau paham aku. Oh, pergi jogging lah, pergi maraton. Jalan-jalan sore. Langsung saja lah. Wih, kau jam awak.
Kidnapping fool, that clown D, that OG fool from Ball.
Dog, I told you, no more gang banging retro vengeance bullshit. I'm trying to make some fucking paper.
You gonna make some
Hey
paper,
man,
bro, and ain't nobody out here
buk mana
gang
kita sekarang man.
like that. You gotta know the difference, man.
Balik bubuk anjang bagi kau man.
My aunt would be very happy, home.
Dia buru berpai buru
so she can
Dia
get the
berburu
fuck
babi
out.
nak.
I told you to quit talking shit about your auntie Loco.
Kung
That's
ni
my
jang,
gift.
kadang jang
I'm
lah.
just fucking with you. I'm just fucking with you.
Waduh.
What y'all doing? Let's go.
Follow lamar.
You driving?
Patang follow ke follow je lamar.
Get in the van, Chop. Get in the van.
Tak ada nya follow back. Follow je tadi. Cepet lah lamar. Ha, tu ah.
Go up Vinewood Boulevard.
Baik, kanan kuning.
Hey, I like your dog, homie. Me and Chop got a lot in common. Yo annoying ass.
Man, I'm carrying both of y'all asses, homie. Look what I set up.
Man, fuck this, man. You seen Tanisha?
She's straight. It's me and you that ain't straight though, homie.
Dog, I know, homie. But look, I met this contact, this
Oke,
white dude. Real serious dude, man.
kita masih
This motherfucker know the
berjalan-jalan
streets,
sama
homie.
si
I
Lamar
know he'll
dan
be a
si
good hookup
Dolgi.
for us.
We
Kan jauh ni lah,
don't
kamu
need-
tidak.
Homie, you tripping. We don't need no hookup, fool. I know these streets.
You know these streets. Man, all you know is dime bag hustling, credit card stealing, boosting gas tankers on me. Come on, man. What, you trying to be some fucking commodity trader or something?
Fool, that shit went up, man.
Jauh lah
Look,
tu.
homie, I don't mind dying, you feel me? But I just want to die with something that matters, homie. That's what foreign gangsters should
Si
really
Lamar
be
ni
about.
Wait, sekarang ni terancak
And I
orang.
know this
Wes,
much, the motherfucking OGs ain't even giving a fuck about us, though.
Man,
mantap.
fuck the OGs then. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no motherfucking pyramid scheme.
Wait, hold on. Listen to your boy one time. Listen to your boy. You want some paper, my nigga? This is what it's about. Check it out. I'm talking about 40,000. No problem. Cash in hand.
Was.
2 days time. No killing. Nothing.
No, this is starting another beef with the
Ah,
fucking ballers, nigga. That's
Jangan
class A
tukang, kan?
felony bullshit.
We gon'
So
keep
what?
our
Tidak
disguise on. Ain't nobody gotta know it was us.
Wih,
Yeah, whatever, homie. We'll see about that.
He down this alley up here.
Hey, what's up, bro?
okay, kita dah nyampe. Weh, mengai aku.
Damn.
Tepi-tepi yang kalam aku.
I was just saying, I was trying to
And
holler at
you
you.
ain't hollering at nothing over here.
Why is it gotta be like that? I'm an OG.
And OG, so what? So
Kita langsung aja. Tanpa perlu
We
basa-basi.
gotta go.
Weh, lari, kajar macam tu ah. Cepatlah.
He on a bike, man. We ain't gonna catch him.
Just drive, fool.
Hold on, Chop.
You see
Wait.
that bitch back there?
Balik keluar.
I'm all over that.
Eh,
Like I said, they block.
Flock your mind on this shit right here for a minute. You worse than
cepet
Chop.
lah. Bayi lu nyak. Pret. Lang ni lu.
Go, get in the van.
Cepet. Cepet. Kajar. Cepet, kajar.
You see what he driving? Man, we in a van, motherfucker. We fucked.
On gangster, we got this.
Yo, kajar
It's gonna
cepet.
get bumpy, Chop.
We losing it.
Mana berjatuh?
You seen that bitch back there? She a dog. I'm all over that. And she probably the same. Like I said,
Wah, wah.
they block.
Flock your mind on this
Oh,
shit
itu
right
yang
here
bondat
for a
ni,
minute.
kan?
You worse than Chop.
Oh, hampir pemirsa.
Man, if he gone cause you ain't in the zone with that special driving shit you do, I'm gonna be real upset, homie.
Okey.
We good right here. Any second, that bike gonna slip right up from under his ass. Hey, why we choose this mark, homie?
I don't know. It's an opportunity. Why not?
Man, I don't know.
That's
We just
right.
trusting the bitch.
Awas.
I thought it might have been for a reason.
Kiri, kiri. Wait.
Give me a break, guys. Next time we going after the motherfucker in the car, all right? All these punk ass bikes.
Sama berjaya.
He cut down there.
Sang. Aisyah.
Damn. He got fucked up.
Dia tak auto je.
Man, take Chop. Go get that fool.
Nigga, you just sitting your ass there with your feet kicked up. Come on, Chop. Come on.
Wah,
Go bite his
makan
ass.
anjing.
Get that motherfucker, Chop.
Hanya kajar je anjing. Cepat lah, lari. Lari pagi. Damn.
There's a good dog.
What the fuck?
Capek ang. Turun pakai aja
I thought
jatuh.
you was
Hatuh.
original gangster. You just a motherfucking chump.
Ternyata kita tidak buru babi. Kita buru manusia.
You gonna pay for this.
Pas tu. Wah. Capek. Mana je? Betunya.
There ain't no rabies shots where we taking you to. At least I'm getting a workout.
Capek. Dia jatuh hanya. Gigi aja, gigi.
Sack that bitch.
Macam aku ambil lah jantar ni. Oh lah naiknya ke tepi.
Oh, fuck. Come on, boy. Find that fool.
Wih, suruhnya pindah kanjang tu. Wih.
Get his ass chopped. He ain't
Jadi
one of them
anjing,
box cars.
Jadi anjing. Suruhnya pindah lihat. Suruhnya buka aku.
There you go.
Lari.
I got your ass.
Jangan kemari. Subasa berlari.
We in this
Dengan
together,
tendangan
chop.
nali
Let's go.
lentar Subasa cetak gol.
Sniff him out.
Gol buka leh.
Stop running, dog. I'm gonna find you, motherfucker.
Tak tu.
Where is he, boy? Come on, where is he?
Ma,
Man, that ain't what we after.
aku. Woi. Astagfirullah.
Man, that's a dude, chop. Man, you a fuck anything.
Tu nak beli air celiak tu. Kau untuk yang kadang-kadang sini. Ha. Kan lain sih. Ha. Astagfirullah. Di tengah jalan, di tepi di
Man, that's
depan
some
rumah
serious
orang
first per
begina.
second, chop.
Aduh.
Come on, chop.
Panggil anjing tu.
Get
Hei,
off
cepatlah.
there, man. We got shit to do.
Ha.
Come on, man.
Alunnya lah.
We ain't gonna be able to walk. Oh, respect for your enthusiasm, home. Get out that thing, Chop, you filthy motherfucker.
Alah, woi.
You giving it some, huh?
Woi, alah. Astagfirullah.
Lamar sure ain't been training your ass, has he, boy? Come on, man, back to business.
Kencang salah dia. Yalah.
You a mean motherfucker,
Gali
man.
apa dia
Let's go.
orang nak. Suka ikut.
Lay down, bitch.
Punya. Kejap ya cepik.
Oh, shit. Screw that dog, man.
Cepik.
Don't hump him.
Gigi.
Bite his ass, Chop. Get his ass.
Kencang salah di anjing pun nak. Sesudah menitu kencang
Call your dog, dog.
berat anjing.
Fuck you, son of a
Anjing.
bitch. That bitch just fucking bit me,
Aduh.
man. Shut the fuck up. Hey, man, get over here. Oh, shit. What the fuck, man? I ain't got no beef with CG.
Memang lari lah.
Hey, if you don't train
Okay.
Chop, he gonna be a lost cause
Kita
like
buat
you, dog.
dia pulang.
We gonna stash this dude in my spot.
We going back to your crib?
Titip.
I've been there when you was in diapers.
Shut up, man. You ain't recognize me.
I knew it was you before you took that flag off. You always been dumb, Lamar.
Really? Well, I guess that means we gonna have to shoot your ass when we pick up our 40 stacks.
Itu je
You ain't gonna
kerja
pick
yang
up
nak.
shit. Fans gonna be on you before you can even move,
Tahu
nigga.
tampik je tu.
Be quiet. I gotta make a call.
Astagfirullah.
We got your boy.
You calling them on the cell phone, you dumb motherfucker? They gonna trace this shit in a second.
We want 40,000. Is pay me or pay the funeral director, motherfucker.
What the fuck you done? You just gave them our location. Now we gotta let this motherfucker out of here. Get the fuck out of here. And nigga, give me that damn phone.
What the fuck?
Fuck y'all. I'll be seeing y'all soon.
The only reason you been seeing shit cause we went easy on your ass. Remember that, dog?
Tadi Ziko suruh.
This some bullshit. Take me down the cut.
Mati. Tangga lampu.
Man, what the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
All right, motherfucker.
You the motherfucker.
Turun alai.
You better watch out for them ballers. They gonna be on you now. Them cops gonna be on your ass too.
Yeah, I ain't worried about it. I'm a motherfucking gangster. You know how I do. I can take care of my sizzle.
No, the fuck you kids ain't.
Kecil ni jangan ditiru nak. Mission sukses. Okey. Untuk kali ini kita cuma jalanin satu misi aja. Karena satu misi aja udah memakan banyak durasi. Mungkin sampai di sini aja dulu video kita kali ini. Tunggu kelanjutannya. Jangan pernah bosan nonton video saya. Karena saya sedang mencari uang. Tentunya. Thanks for watching. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and share video saya. Okay. Thank you guys.
I'll be one day on that track with gunplay. I'll cast my whole life, so I decide to spit like Andre.